Welcome back everyone. So today in this video, I will be explaining that how to fix there was a problem resetting your PC, no changes were made. Now this problem can be while resetting your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you have the same issues, then apply this powerful solution that I will be sharing in this video. And if this works for you guys, then do not forget to like and subscribe. So let's quickly get started. First, you will have to click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, choose run as admin, click on yes. The black window will be up. Now here you have to run few commands, and all the command that I will be using in this video you will find in the description. From there you can copy and paste. So the first command will be reagentc space / disable. Hit the enter key. Now once it says operation successful, again you have to type reagentc space / enable. Hit the enter key again. And once both the command are completed, you will have to close it. Next, click on your Windows search, type reset. Click on reset this PC. Now in the setting here, below the reset this PC option, you will find advanced startup. So you will have to click on restart now. Click restart now again. And the computer will now be coming up with the advanced options. Now here you have to click on troubleshoot. Then click on advanced options. And then you have to click on command prompt. So once the command prompt comes up, here in the box you have to type another command, wmic space logicaldisk space get space device id comma volume name comma space description. You will be getting this command in the description, so it's better you can copy and paste here by making a right click. So once you are done, you have to hit the enter key. And now the next command will be sfc space / scannow space / offbootdir, then give a equal sign. And here you need to type the drive letter where your operating system has been installed. So on my end, it seems to be local disk C. But if you have any other drive where your OS has been installed, then you have to type that drive letter over here. So I will type C, then colon, then back /, give a space, then / and type offwindir, equal sign, then type the drive letter again, colon, and hit the enter key. So the scan will be started now. On my end, I have already did that before, so it's not running, but probably on your end it will be running. And once this command will be completed, the last command that you have to type will be DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / RestoreHealth. Again hit the enter key. Now let these all command run, and you will be getting all this command in the description. And once all the commands are completed, 100% completed, then you have to close it. Click on troubleshoot. And from here, you can click on reset this PC, choose keep my file, and then try to reset your PC. I'm very sure that your problem will now be fixed. Now in case if this method also doesn't work, then again you will have to go back, click on advanced options, then click on startup repair, and see that if this is able to fix your problem or not. So I'm very sure that after applying all this solution that your problem will be fixed. But after applying all the solution, unfortunately, if none of the method work for you, then finally you will have to go ahead and fresh reinstall Windows 11. So what you can do, you can create a bootable USB. I've already created a video on that. You can check the description. So create a bootable USB, then reinstall Windows 11, choosing keep my file option so that you should not lose any of your data. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully these all solution will work for you. And if yes, let me know in the comment section which method worked. And do not forget to like and subscribe. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.